Hello guys, in this video we will see how we can set up support for Python in Visual Studio Code so that we can run Python files, we can run Python scripts. Okay, so before that, first of all, we need to make sure we have installed Python and we have installed Visual Studio Code. I've covered both of those things in previous videos, so you can click on the links that you might be seeing right now in the screen, or check out the link in the description or in the comment. So once you have installed Python and Visual Studio, let's set up those two things together. So now open your Visual Studio Code, click on this extensions, or you can click Control Shift and X and this extensions will open. Let's type Python. It will search for a while. Now as you can see, it is provided by Microsoft itself. It is the IntelliSense Pylance. There are other things also, but you need to install the one that is provided by Microsoft itself. Alright, as you can see, it allows refactoring, unit tests, debugging, and a lot more. So install this, and as you can see, this is installing. You can see all about it here while it is being installed. So I'll wait while this gets installed. Okay, so as you can see, Python is installed here. Now this is just an extension. This is not the language Python. So if your language is not installed, again, as I said before, you need to install Python. So click on the link in the description or in the screen or in the comments, and you will be able to install Python. So yeah, as you can see here, first let's just create a Python file and let's see how it works. For right now, I'll just write print and let's say hello Python. Okay, so this is my Python file. Now you can click on this play button to run it, and first let's save it as first Python, and let's save it in desktop. It is saved. Now it has run, and as you can see hello Python here, and you can close this. You can go to your files here and create a new project, Python project, and Python project will work now with all the functions like debugging and all the other good stuff. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Peace out.